Ever wondered if you could keep your Bitcoin safe and sound within the walls of Beam Wallet? That's a question buzzing around the crypto space, and if you're scratching your head about it, you're in the right place. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, managing your digital assets securely is paramount. You've got Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, and then you have wallets like Beam Wallet, known for its focus on privacy. So, the natural question arises, can these two worlds collide? Can Beam Wallet, with its emphasis on anonymity and confidential transactions, be your fortress for holding Bitcoin? To answer this directly, no, Beam Wallet does not natively support Bitcoin. Beam Wallet is specifically designed for the Beam cryptocurrency, which operates on its own blockchain with a strong emphasis on privacy features like Lelantis Mimblewimble. These technologies are fundamentally different from the technology underpinning Bitcoin. Think of it like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Bitcoin operates on its own unique protocol, with its own set of rules and cryptographic mechanisms. Beam, similarly, has its own distinct architecture tailored for privacy-centric transactions. These two are built differently, for different purposes, and therefore, a wallet designed for one typically cannot directly manage the other. Now, this doesn't mean you're out of options for securely storing your Bitcoin. The crypto world is brimming with a diverse range of wallets specifically designed for Bitcoin. You have hardware wallets, often considered the gold standard for security, storing your private keys offline and away from potential online threats. Think of brands like Ledger or Trezor. Then there are software wallets, which can be desktop or mobile applications. These offer a convenient way to access and manage your Bitcoin, but it's crucial to choose reputable providers and take necessary security precautions like enabling two-factor authentication. Examples include Electrum or Trust Wallet. You also have exchange wallets, offered by cryptocurrency exchanges. While convenient for trading, it's generally not recommended to keep large amounts of Bitcoin on an exchange long-term, as you don't hold the private keys. Remember the adage, not your keys, not your coins. So, while Beam Wallet excels in providing a private and secure environment for managing Beam cryptocurrency, it's not the right tool for your Bitcoin holdings. You'll need to explore the dedicated Bitcoin wallets available to ensure the safety and accessibility of your digital gold. Understanding the specific functionalities and compatibility of different wallets is a crucial step in navigating the crypto landscape securely. Choosing the right wallet depends on your individual needs, whether it's maximum security, ease of use, or frequent trading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.